For quick fixes, when your Spectrum router shows a flashing red light, start by power cycling the device. Simply unplug it from power for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary connection issues. Next, check all your cable connections, including the coaxial cable from the wall to the router. Ensure they're securely plugged in without damage. Use the Spectrum app to verify your signal strength and check for any service outages in your area. The app provides real-time diagnostics. If these steps don't work, try a factory reset by pressing and holding the reset button on the router for 10 to 15 seconds. Note that this will erase custom settings. For advanced users, access the router's web interface by typing 192.168.1.1 into your browser. This allows you to run built-in diagnostic tests and check firmware status. Looking ahead, router technology is trending toward AI-driven diagnostics that automatically identify and fix issues, reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. Spectrum is shifting toward mesh ecosystems that combine routers with extenders for better coverage and more reliable connections throughout your home. The adoption of Wi-Fi 7 by 2026 will include enhanced error correction features that should minimize red light incidents and improve overall stability. However, as internet demand continues to grow, older Wi-Fi 6 hardware may experience more failures, encouraging users to upgrade to newer models for better reliability.